Imagine an AI agent handling 80% of your customer support inquiries, 24/7, without a single human touch. By the end of this video, you'll know how to set up an autonomous AI customer support team using free, powerful tools, saving you hours and boosting customer satisfaction. This isn't just theory, it's a practical, no-code workflow you can implement today.
The demand for always-on, instant support is higher than ever. Traditional methods are slow and costly. But with AI, you can build a system that answers common questions, troubleshoots issues, and even escalates complex cases to your human team seamlessly. This frees up your human agents for critical, nuanced interactions.
Let's break down how to achieve this. Our first step is choosing the right base for your AI agent. We need a tool that can interact with the web, simulating a human agent browsing for information or completing tasks.
For this, we'll leverage an open-source project called BrowserUse. This tool allows your AI agent to see and interact with web pages, just like a human would. Think of it as giving your AI eyes and hands on the internet.
BrowserUse is a GitHub project with over 104,000 stars, indicating its robust community and reliability. It excels at web interaction, data extraction, and automating tasks directly in a browser. This is crucial for an AI support agent that needs to pull information from your documentation, FAQs, or even other service pages.
The key insight here: most AI models are just text. BrowserUse adds the ability to perform actions. Without it, your AI can answer, but it can't **do*. It's best for those who need their AI to go beyond just chatting and actually perform tasks like searching your help center, or even filling out a support ticket form.
Next, we need a robust backend to store our knowledge base, manage user interactions, and handle authentication. This is where supabase comes in. It's an open-source alternative to traditional backend services, offering a powerful PostgreSQL database and much more.
Supabase offers a full suite of features: a PostgreSQL database for storing your customer data and knowledge base, authentication for secure access, and even real-time subscriptions to push updates. It's freemium, meaning you can start for free and scale as your needs grow.
Supabase is fantastic for solopreneurs or small teams because it abstracts away complex database management. You get a powerful, scalable backend without needing a dedicated database administrator. Its real-time capabilities are also excellent for instant updates to your support agents or customer dashboards.
Now, for the brain of our operation, the large language model itself. While we won't be building one from scratch, understanding how they work helps optimize our agents. For this, a valuable resource is the rasbt LLMs-from-scratch GitHub repository.
This repository, with nearly 100,000 stars, provides deep insights into LLM architectures, training guides, and code tutorials. While you won't be training your own LLM for customer support, the principles taught here help you craft better prompts and understand the limitations and capabilities of the models you'll be using.
The takeaway here is context. The better you understand how LLMs process information, the better you can structure your knowledge base in Supabase and your AI agent's instructions for BrowserUse. This ensures your AI support agent provides accurate, relevant responses every time.
With these tools, here's how to set up your autonomous AI customer support team. First, use Supabase to create your knowledge base. Populate it with FAQs, product documentation, and common troubleshooting steps. This will be the source of truth for your AI.
Second, configure your AI agent using a framework that integrates with BrowserUse. This agent will use BrowserUse to read your Supabase-hosted knowledge base and find answers. You'll define its personality and rules for when to escalate to a human.
Third, integrate this AI agent with your communication channels, whether that's a chat widget on your website, email, or even social media. When a customer asks a question, the AI agent consults your Supabase knowledge base via BrowserUse, formulates an answer, and responds.
The best part? This setup is incredibly scalable. As your business grows, your AI team can handle more inquiries without increasing your headcount. It's a true force multiplier for productivity.
For an all-around robust solution, browser use combined with supabase is the one to beat for active web interaction and data management. Browser use is your best free option for adding real web capabilities to your agents. And for beginners, supabase offers the easiest entry point to managing your knowledge base.
This workflow enables you to automate 80% of your customer inquiries with AI agents, freeing your human team for high-value tasks. It's a game changer for efficiency and customer satisfaction.
Let's dive deeper into how you can actually get started with browser use. First, you'll need Node.js installed on your machine. Once that's ready, open your terminal or command prompt.
Navigate to the directory where you want to set up your project. Then, you'll initialize a new Node.js project by typing npm init y. This creates a package.json file.
Next, install browser use by running npm install browser use. Once installed, you can create a JavaScript file, say agent.js, and start writing your AI's web interaction logic.
Inside agent.js, you'll import browser use and initialize it. For example, const browser use equals require browser use, const agent equals new browser use.browser agent. Then, you can instruct the agent to visit a page, await agent.goto, https://your-help-center.com.
To extract information, you'd use commands like await agent.extract text, h1, to get the text from an h1 tag, or await agent.click, button.submit, to click a button. You can chain these commands to simulate complex user flows, allowing your AI to browse, click, and extract data from your knowledge base or any web page.
Moving on to supabase. Setting up your knowledge base is straightforward. Go to app.supabase.com and create a new project. Once your project is created, navigate to the table editor in the left sidebar.
Click New Table and give it a name, for instance, knowledge_base. You'll then define your columns. A good starting point would be question, type, text, answer, type, text, and category, type, text. Make question or a unique ID your primary key.
After defining your columns, click Save. Now you can start adding rows to your table, populating it with your FAQs and support documentation. Each row will represent a question and its corresponding answer.
To access this data from your AI agent, supabase provides client libraries for various languages. For JavaScript, you'd install the supabase client, npm install at supabase/supabase.js.
Then, in your agent's code, you'd initialize the supabase client with your project URL and public API key, found in your supabase project settings. For example, const create_client equals require at supabase a supabase.js, const supabase equals create_client your_supabase_URL your_anon_key.
To fetch data, you'd write a query like const data error equals await supabase.from knowledge_base.select *i like question %search term %. This allows your AI to dynamically query your knowledge base for relevant answers.
Finally, for rasbt or LLMs-from-scratch, while you're not building an LLM, understanding its structure helps. Clone the repository using git clone https://github.com/rasbt/LLMs-from-scratch.git .
Navigate into the cloned directory. You'll find Jupyter notebooks and Python scripts. Start with notebooks like 01_main chapter 1.ipend to grasp the foundational concepts of transformers and attention mechanisms.
Focus on how input text is tokenized and embedded, and how attention layers process context. This knowledge directly translates into crafting more effective prompts for your AI agent, ensuring it correctly interprets user queries and retrieves the most relevant information from your supabase knowledge base.
Ready to transform your customer support? Start building your AI team today. And for more breakdowns of the latest AI tools and workflows, make sure to subscribe to the channel.